Hi, my name is Marcel. I was part of the June session of Bincom Academy, where I enrolled as a Python developer trainee. It was very insightful opportunity, an opportunity which I learned through a job site, and I stuck with them for a month, and it was really worth the exposure. Got exposure such as web scraping, part of data mining, scientific operations, web Django using in terms of application. So it was really an insightful time, and the classes were worth it. Some of the things I never knew, some of the things I thought I knew about or never thought of existed, I saw them there, and yeah, it was really very insightful. And about our facilitator, Mr. Collins, yeah, he was very nice. Mr. Collins is someone that he's always there. If you have a question, he helps you out, gives you the guide of what to do, and tells you how you can solve subsequent questions, issues that are going to come up. And I think he's very nice of a person, especially in the tech world. So generally, it's a program I will advise anybody I needed to enroll for, and yeah, I think it's really worth it. So in a special way, I'm saying thank you to Bincom for the exposure. It was really worth the time. It was worth everything I give to it. Yeah, and I still have to stick and check out some of the things I learned there, because really they were good, and I have to just keep improving. At least I got the exposure of moving from a beginner in Python to partly intermediate. So I would say I'm in intermediate stage now, all thanks to Bincom. Thank you.